Well, happy holidays. I've been busy with the holidays, but finally getting back to this van, which I've got a whole garage full of parts for. And with my bad health, I'm limited, but trying to do everything I can to at least make progress. So today I got in a switch panel for light bars and all that kind of stuff, and USB and cigarette lighter charge. So it's not a lot. It took me a little bit. Behind that switch panel was a big steel plate that I had to cut it out to be able to fit the switches through. So got that done, and creeping forward a little bit, a little at a time. Anyway, happy holidays.